Top 5 Best Dehumidifiers for Basement. Basements 1. Frigidaire FAD704DWD Energy Star 70-pint Dehumidifier. This Energy Star dehumidifier from Frigidaire will protect up to 2,500 square feet of your home from mold and mildew. It holds up to 16.3 pints at one time and maintains an automatic shut-off feature with a full tank alert system that goes off once maximum capacity is reached. The bucket is located in the front and features a handle for an easy pull-out along with ingenuitive splash guard technology. Both these features are great for preventing overflow from happening. Continuous opera is possible within distance of a suitable drain. WHYNTER RPD 501WP 50-pint Energy Star Portable Dehumidifier. WHYNTER's 50-pint Energy Star Dehumidifier is a high-capacity unit that features an adjustable humidity range of 35 to 85% and a 14-pint removable water bucket. Its normal operating level is below 58.5 BA for optimal noise reduction and energy efficiency. This dehumidifier's innovative design is built for a high-capacity performance and can tackle airborne bacteria in enclosed areas as large as 3,000 square feet. HINSENSE DH70KP1 SDLE Energy Star 2-speed 70-pint Dehumidifier. The Energy Star Dehumidifier by HINSENSE features a built-in pump that drains up to 70 pints per day in spaces up to 1,500 square feet. It includes a hose attachment, but does not include the hose, and is able to pump water upward and continuously out a basement window or into a sink. This dehumidifier has 3 operating modes that include a manual set, automatic dry, and of course the versatile continuous option to guarantee optimal use. DANBY Premier 70-pint Dehumidifier. This dehumidifier by DANBY will keep you safe from airborne bacteria and mold spores in areas up to a whopping 4,500 square feet. This amazing unit also features an Energy Star rating and environment-friendly R410A refrigerant, which will help the ozone layer and help you cut down on your electrical costs. KEYSTONE KSTAD50B Energy Star 50 pint Dehumidifier. The KEYSTONE Energy Star Dehumidifier holds 3 key settings that include normal, turbo, and of course automatic defrost. It removes up to 50 pints of moisture from the air per day and covers up to 3,000 square. The unit also includes a full bucket alert system with automatic shut-off along with a clean filter alert system. To buy this products, check the description.